Okay, this was requested again. How do I wrap my kitty, carry her? As you can see, she's a very needy little girl and she loves being up on my shoulder. So I'll show you what I do. I have one of those baby wraps, but I don't follow the typical baby carrying way because she's not a baby, she's a cat, and she loves being up on my shoulder near my ear. Sling it over my shoulder. Now, if you want to try this with your pet, you might be able to follow the instructions that they give for doing a typical normal baby wrapping scenario. But I do it this way because she needs to be up on my shoulder. So and I don't wrap her too tight, but that's how it goes. And I adjust these, and she's snug as a bug in a rug. And now mommy can be working and still have her close. We can get an extra cup of coffee and I don't have to shoo her off of my lap. So, like I said, you know where to do the clicky. I have a whole section in my storefront, but I believe I linked the specific one and it comes in different colors and whatnot. Look at those baby blues. Happy cat carrying.